how to add events calendar to Wix website. So from the main page of Wix here, I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. And here, if you want to add an events calendar, then we will click on the plus icon from the left hand side. And then we have to scroll near the bottom over bookings and just click on bookings, and you should be able to see this events calendar. Add a beautiful events calendar to your website and keep your audience. So click on add to site here, and this will ask us for permissions where we have to agree and add. Now it's going to look a little something like this, events calendar, and then we can scroll down, and I'm going to show you how we can set this up as well. So right above it you should see settings. Once we click on settings, then it will look like this, and we can actually set the event itself. So first, make sure that the time format and everything is to your liking here, and we can go to events and we can create our first event. So I'm going to do a tutorial here, and we can type out the description as well. We can add an image by clicking on choose image, and the time and date, this is important. So it begins on the 6th of March at 10 a.m. or for example the 7th of March, and it can be an all day event. But if we uncheck this, then we can do specific times. So for example 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. on the 7th of March, which is tomorrow. So after we have done this, then we can add event here. And now, as you can see, we have created a new event for tomorrow, and we can also connect external calendars here, and also design. We can change the design of this events calendar, but basically that's how we do it. And people will be able to see that on the 7th, we have created an event here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.